gotta look at myself to make sure I'm in the screen because I have my little mirror. Anyway, hey guys, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm going to be styling 5 outfits for you guys for summer. You may have seen some of these dresses, and if you haven't, then that's awesome. But yeah, I'm all about going back to my closet and using what I already have and just styling them differently. So that is my whole goal. I was reading threads, and a lot of people are saying they're unfollowing a lot of accounts, social media accounts, because they're noticing some influencers are constantly posting, for example, hauls, constantly buying all this new stuff, but then they never really see them using them, or they don't even do looks to show people how to, style items, more than once and stuff like that. So I was like, okay, I'm going back in my closet and I'm using some stuff you guys have seen, just styling them a little bit differently. And we ain't got that kind of budget to be buying stuff back to back, especially like designer stuff and all this stuff that I'm seeing. That's not me, and that's not realistic for me. So yeah, I decided to just go back in my closet like I always do and show you guys how I would style outfits. Most of the places that I shop at are Target, TJ Maxx, Ross, Old Navy, online, eBay, Raven shops. That's my budget for right now. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and talk about each outfit on the side here, and I'll talk about like what I was thinking when I got it, and my whole how I would wear it kind of thing, so you guys can maybe get ideas. I got this dress a couple years ago. Honestly, I think I've worn this dress like maybe twice. I don't know why I haven't worn it, honestly. It's just one of those things that I bought that I really liked, but then I set it to the side and it's just been sitting there. So I was like, let me take it out and show you guys. So it's a dress from Amazon, and if I can find it, I'll link it for you guys. It's very basic, cotton material. One thing that drew me to it is I bought this dress a couple years ago when I had my son, and I wanted something comfy, something that had pockets, something I could throw a denim jacket with and be gone. Like, I didn't have a lot of time. So I think that's one of the reasons I bought it a couple years ago. So yeah, this is a very, very long dress. I am 5'10", and you guys can see that it's hitting very much near the ground. It's a thing you could throw on, and you could use this to run errands. You could use this to be in the house with. You could dress this up a little bit more and go, do your thing. And even if you're pregnant, you could wear this because there's so much room in this dress. But you guys can see that it does show a little more of everything, so you do need some kind of a shapewear or something underneath. But it's such a comfy dress, and it's just really figure flattering on just about anybody. And I really like this dress. Yeah. The next dress, I got this dress. It's a yellow dress that I got for my birthday. I think my 41st birthday. And I was really in love with the color. I had seen it at Kohl's, and I kept passing it every week that I went to do an Amazon return. I feel like they tempt you with that because you walk in and you're like returning, and then you see stuff and then you want to buy. So I kept seeing it. Every time I came back, I would see it, and I was like, oh, that's a cute dress. Something about the way the shoulders were made was so cute. So here I just took it. I took a denim jacket, threw it on with sandals, and that's really my go-to during the summer anyway. So it's really cute. But you could dress this up a little bit more, put jewelry on, put maybe wedges, and you are ready to go. And I also like that in the fall, you could do like maybe brown hosiery or shapewear underneath. I mean the shapewear, like brown leggings or so. Put on some boots, and you could definitely wear this early fall because the colors are perfect for that. So I really love this. Yellow is one of my favorite colors, and this dress was just a hit. And I don't even know if maybe I have a clip of when I wore it on my birthday. Loved it. Okay, the next dress that I got was from Ross. I was browsing. I don't know what I was looking for, but yeah, I came across this dress. It's not my typical thing that I would buy. Like, it's more I'm not a print person. I like solid, I like neutrals, but I saw this and it reminded me so much of vacation, and I was like, I know somebody out there would love this for vacation. So it's a dress that's it's light, very see-through, but it has that slip underneath. It's one of those dresses you could just wear, throw on sandals, get a straw handbag or something, put it on, maybe put on a big hat and be on vacation, minding your business, having your drinks. And so I saw it, I was like, oh, this is perfect. It has a little slit on the side. I haven't moved around in it too much to say whether the slip would ride up. I'm not sure. But hey, some of us got a lot of curves, so it's likely to do that. But it was just so cute. The color just really reminded me of vacation. I was like, it's perfect time for vacation because it's summer. So yeah, I got this. I loved it. I definitely can't wait to wear it. It would be nice with nice colorful shoes too, like a solid colorful shoe, maybe like a dark green or something. But it is so cute. Okay, the next dress that I got, I went to Walmart actually to do a return, and I ended up finding this one. I grabbed it so fast. It's a tank dress. It's only like $11, and the colors were so cute. It came in white, cream, black, and fuchsia, like the one I have. I would just wear this as is and put on my maybe sneakers. You could do Converse. You could wear sandals, maybe even slides, and run errands with it, and also dress it up a little bit. A denim jacket, or you could take like a nice, just yeah, it's one of those dresses that you could just do a lot with. You could belt it, and take a nice brown belt in the middle, or even a fuchsia belt, and just snatch it in, and it's gonna look cute. So I really fell in love with it. I was like, oh, I gotta get that tank dress. It was like $11, so I got that. The next one that I got is this dress that I got from Ross 2 years ago. This dress I bought, but later on, I felt like the arms were a little bit tight. So I haven't worn it much, but this dress reminded me of some designer. I don't know. It reminded me of vacation, summer, also early spring, but it also reminds me of a designer print. And I saw it, I was like, ooh, this is strikingly different from my taste. So I picked it up and I loved it because the length is perfect on me. It's an easy dress. You put this on and you don't have to do too much and you are ready to go. I feel like this is the dress you could wear to like maybe a party outside, like you went to a graduation with family, you're having dinner afterwards. You could wear this. You could wear this maybe just to run errands. It's a very easy dress, but it does stand out, and you're definitely gonna get compliments on it. Because I got distracted there, I thought something was going on with my phone. But anyway, yeah. So what are your summer plans? Where are you guys going? Where are you guys heading? What do you have planned for fun? I'm definitely hoping that me and my family could definitely do a lot of beaches this time, because we didn't get to do it. I actually didn't even wear the swimsuits that I wanted to wear last year. So I'm hoping we could do this again. Yeah, I'm just hoping that we're going to really do a lot of activities this year, because we didn't get to do them last. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know which was your favorite dress, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.